Hello traders, and welcome to another video analysis of the cryptocurrency pair. Today is Tuesday 14th of August 2018, and we are going to take a look at the Ethereum to the Polish zloty pair. This is 60-minute time frame chart, and we are going to continue yesterday analysis. As we can see here, technical resistance at apparently 1252 level was too strong for bulls, so we got this slight consolidation here. We hit the upper channel trend line, and then we got this breakout to the downside below the level of 1154. Now this slump to the downside is very impulsive. The corrections are very small, and then we are breaking lower and lower. Right now we got this lower channel trend line and marked as orange. As you can see, this is like a parallel channel. We hit this because the price was apparently, I think, the price was going to the level of 1000, because this is a round number. We break the level of the 1000, and then the bulls tried to push the price higher back to the channel, right? And this is the response of the bears. As we can see, this is kind of like a doji candle or shooting star candle, so we can see that there's a pressure from the upside to push the prices lower. And then at the time of the recording this analysis, the lowest level here, the local low, is at 982. The down volume is increasing. This is not a good sign for bulls, and apparently the next support, this support at the level of 760, is taken from the weekly time frame. So this is really not good for bulls right now. There is no sign of any downtrend reversal, and as far as I'm concerned, it looks like this trend will continue. We got some local resistance here, 1038, 1081, but as long as we are not above 1154, this technical resistance level, and as far as we are not above the downside sloping parallel channel, then we cannot say that this downtrend is over. So apparently I think that we will continue to see the lower lows on this market for some time now. Thank you very much for watching this video analysis. Hope you enjoy it, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.